everyone, and welcome to Winston Hills and to this traditional Australian bungalow that's been beautifully transformed throughout at 97 Rebecca Pde. Quietly positioned, it appears single level from the street, yet opens to a cleverly designed dual level layout capturing scenic district vistas. With a flexible floor plan and seamless indoor-outdoor flow, it's ideal for buyers seeking a private retreat in a tranquil setting close to schools, shops and transport. Timeless charm, relaxed comfort, ideally located. All it needs now is a new family to call it home. I'm Karen Dangola from Stone. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.